Ooh, dark and stormy night. A cigar box version of She Caught the Katy. He Caught the Katy. There's a bass line, there's a turnaround, and there's a bridge. I'm playing out of B, so my strings are B, F sharp, B, B. There's a lot of B's there. My bass line goes like this. So open, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret. Slide into the 7th, then the bass again. So that's the bass line that reoccurs. The turnaround is going to be built off the 2nd string, starting on the 5th fret. 5, 5, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's storming outside. And back to the bass line. If you haven't already checked out my other videos, I'll put a link up here. If you're just new to the cigar box and using a slide, these other videos will help you get used to the pressure it takes to use the slide and some technique, things like that. But if you're ready, let's dive into this a little more. So, He Caught the Katy. The second part of the form goes to the 4. To the 4. Back to the 1. And then you gotta put that turnaround in there. Now the little bridge goes to the 4. Now I love my darling, he's so fine, one, and I wish he'd come to see me sometime. Now we go to the 7. So you look for your double dots up here, that's your octave, and go down 2 frets, that's your 7. Then to the 5. Back to the 1. So those are the pieces parts. We have the bass line, 1, 4, 5, 7, slide into the 5. The turnaround, which we use the 2nd string for. And then we move to the bridge, which goes to the 4. Back to the 1. 7. 5. Back to the 1. So it goes like this. He caught the Katy and he left me a mule to ride. He caught the Katy and he left me a mule to ride. Well, my baby caught the Katy, left me a mule to ride. Train pulled on and I swung on beside. Crazy about that hard-headed man of mine. My baby's tall, great God Almighty, he's so fine. is tall. Great God Almighty, he's so fine. Well, my baby, he's long. My baby, he's tall. Sleeps in the kitchen with his big feet in the hall. Crazy about that hard-headed man of mine. Now I love my darling, he's so fine, and I wish he'd come to see me sometime. He don't believe I love the widow hole I'm in. Great God, I wish he'd come back again. He caught the Katy, left me a mule to ride. He caught the Katy, left me a mule to ride. Well, my baby caught the Katy, left me a mule to ride. Train pulled on and I swung on beside. Crazy about that hard-headed man of mine. Well, there you go, something to mess around with. And if you don't want to work on that tune, maybe you can still steal some of these ideas to work into your own original blues or something else you're having fun with. All right, we'll see you next time. Happy practicing.